Do I even need to be a part of this video? Look at this car. It just sells itself. 1962 Corvette, about 1,300 miles on a complete body off frame restoration. A killer red leather interior, which we'll get inside here in a little bit. Underneath the hood is a crate Ramjet 350. It's a fuel injected GM crate engine, 5-speed Tremec trans. Guess what else? Air conditioning, front disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering. This is an old classic Corvette that you can get in and turnkey and drive. Go to volocars.com where we have 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Corvette. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we even have a picture of the frame, the chassis, all built, set up, ready to go in the car with the body off of it. The body is probably better than it was new because these weren't known to fit real well, but this one does. All the gaps, square, flush. I love the two little bulges on the hood. Just the style of everything. You can see all that for yourself. But there's no damage. All this is straight, fits nice. This is all beautiful, no issues. All super nice. Again, these gaps are precise for an old Corvette. This all fits beautifully. Body's excellent. I did not see, and I already looked it over before we started here, I did not see a flaw in the body. Not saying I didn't miss something, but I can't find one to tell you about. This is all fantastic. Real nice body. Two-stage metallic silver paint, base coat, clear coat. The metal flake is all laid out evenly. The clear coat is just smooth and glossy. And you know what else makes a difference? Every little piece of shiny stuff is beautiful. All of the stainless steel was professionally sent out and straightened and polished. I mean, even all around here, this is just sparkling. New windshield, by the way, too. But all the trim is sparkling, and then any of the chrome was replated. So everything up here sparkles. All the emblems, the cross flags, all beautiful. Even the little squirters are shiny. And it's sitting on a really nice set of wheels. They're Schatz wheels, 18-inch. Nice frosted silver in the middle with some polished features. And they're wrapped in performance Redline tires. It just makes it pop. The convertible top, you can see pictures on our website. It's the black canvas top, a really nice, rich looking top that's all restored, that's all fresh. So beautiful car. I got a lot more to show you you're going to love. This might be my favorite car we have here right now. I love it. I love the colors. Look at this trunk underneath, all painted glossy. And look how it's all boxed and upholstered and has the premium carpet. And again, all the fit is excellent. They're not loose corners. They're not falling down. Same with the interior, which you're going to see in a minute. Fit and finish is outstanding. New weather strip. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Check out our website too. So you can see the jambs are painted, weather strips are replaced. Custom interior, all leather. That's a leather custom-made door panel and armrest. Uses the original style white knob for the handle to get out and the correct chrome window crank. And then the dash itself, factory gauges, all restored. 1,329 miles on it since it's been finished. And then I love that they color matched it real close. This is all stitched, leather wrapped dash pad. And again, outstanding. So many times the dash pads don't fit. Even the grab bar is leather. This is all wrapped in leather. Custom air conditioning vents, custom air conditioning controls. This vintage air. Now they use the original style shifter with the white ball again. That's actually a 5-speed. And this is all custom made. And then if you notice the carpet, this is that expensive Mercedes square weave carpet, all custom cut and sewn and stitched. And the seats, oh man, this is to die for. Very comfortable sport seats, nice and firm, soft leather. I can smell the leather. It smells like I'm sitting in a Rolls Royce. Has red seat belts. And let's open up this compartment. This is the black convertible top. It's canvas. They even put red carpet back here to finish it off nicely. So that looks really good as well. Now, a big problem with these Vettes is the giant steering wheel. This is the original spokes. They actually shrunk it down, custom wheel, and they gave it a cushion leather grip. So you can get in here easier. The bigger one's probably an inch or two bigger and just makes it hard to get in and out. So nice improvement on the steering wheel as well. You still don't want to be much taller than 6 foot to fit in the car comfortably. With the top down, it's easier. With the top up, if you're a big guy, it might be a little awkward. So that is a crate motor, not a used motor, rebuilt motor. That's right from GM. It's the Ramjet. It's a 350 cubic inch, 351 horsepower. This is made to look like the old fuel injection systems from like a 57, but it's all modern technology. It has the chrome valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, chrome alternator instead of the old generator. And you can't really see it, but there is a power steering pump mounted underneath there with a remote reservoir, dual reservoir master cylinder for the brakes. Has electronic ignition system. Why don't we go over to the other side? Does have an upgraded radiator with an overflow bottle over there. And here's the vintage air conditioning system. The expansion tank for the radiator, they even had polished. Everything in here. I can see all the nooks and crannies, the brake lines, the frame, even the fancy dipsticks. Everything is first class in here. Really, really well built. So Michael's going to show you how that runs, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody, super nice Corvette here. This is one that really stands out as exceptional. It's got the 350 with the Ramjet fuel injection system underneath the hood. So literally go anywhere, just turn the key, and seems to be very reliable and starts right up for you. It's also got the upgraded 5-speed manual transmission here. So yeah, take the long way to your next car show. Go on the highway, definitely have some fun here. This interior is great. It is genuine leather. These seats feel phenomenal. Same with the dash up here, man. This is just a high quality frame off restoration. She's done right, I tell you. Awesome set of gauges as well. Our shop went over everything between service and detail. We had a bill of about $1,600 on there. So really dialed in when we got just a small couple tinkering things. Let's hear the exhaust real quick. I love this one. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speeds, no problem. Oh my God, is this thing sweet. I want to take her home. Oh my goodness. Put it in 5th gear and see where she's cruising at 55. Looks like about 1,500 RPMs. So yeah, really nice configuration there. Super tight steering. I gotta show you guys if Nico can get it here. Let's see, let's switch lanes here a couple times and see how much you need to turn the wheel to switch lanes. I mean, this is absolutely on rails. Runs, drives, and handles phenomenally. Someone's really gonna fall in love with this one and have a great cruiser. Come down, test drive it for yourself, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So again, on our website, we have a picture of the rolling chassis, all put together, all restored. Every component underneath there is immaculate, like the motor compartment, all neatly installed. All the suspension completely rebuilt, has air shocks in the back, has a sway bar up front, rack and pinion power steering, all new brake system. It is disc in front. Remember, it has a dual reservoir master cylinder, which is safer. E-brake is hooked up. They're rebuilt drums in the back. Um, New fuel system. Again, all the lines, hoses, clips, everything's been redone. Nice dual exhaust system, neatly installed with accelerator mufflers, and it turns down right behind the tire, just like the original would have done. You look up at the motor, you're looking at a new crate motor. It's spotless. Tremec 5-speed transmission, I believe, was also brand new. It looks that way. Uh, Custom drive shaft goes back to the restored rear end. I like this Corvette because it still has a lot of its original character. The shifter, the knobs to open it, the way the exhaust comes down. But obviously it's modernized with the interior, the wheels, and of course, big improvement with the steering, brakes, and air conditioning. Love this car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your Corvette delivered to your home and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.